I'm Mark Peel. I'm the chef and the owner of Campanile Restaurant in the Tar Pit. We've just made this beautiful steak, a bistecca fiorentina. And what goes really well with a steak is actually a cocktail. I'm talking old school American. And we're gonna make a Manhattan cocktail. Both vermouths. This Martini and Rossi is very light, is very refreshing, is very flavorful. We're going to put ½ an ounce in there. Exactly that. The Antica Carpano. 2 dashes. Angostura bitters. One, two. There we go. I like this a great deal. Luxardo is a cherry liqueur. And it's going to get just ¼ of an ounce. The last thing, Rittenhouse rye. The Pennsylvania style rye is nice and spicy, delicious. There we go. Stirred, not shaken. Now the very last thing, these are true maraschino cherries. And that is a real Manhattan cocktail. And there we have it, a perfect American meal. A bistecca fiorentina, a take on an Italian steak, and a Manhattan cocktail. I'm Mark Peel from Campanile Restaurant in the Tar Pit, and I will see you at the Taste of Beverly Hills.